giving you acknowledge.
Yeah.
He's like, what's up?
Yeah.
And clam chowder.
Does it come with bread?
It comes with oyster bread.
Oh, it's the bread.
Yes.
When I beep and flash, please return.
Oh, please return me. Friend. You want Rosie? Yes.
The enchilada, can you mix it up or you have cheese enchilada? Can I get 2 cheese and 1 chicken shredded? Yeah.
And churro. Plain. One. One order. Yeah. No, no.
Oh yeah, I didn't get enchiladas for you. Oh, please. Oh, Mom, got others here? Thank you.
Go.
Whoa! You saw the move. You see it.
It is moving, huh?
You want popcorn chicken or
Chicken tenders.
Yeah. Welcome back. How's it going?
Good.
Today you want what?
Can I have popcorn? Popcorn chicken.
Popcorn chicken, of course you can.
I said popcorn
You
chicken.
said
Use
shrimp.
it.
Well, this
Shrimp.
time, you know.
They don't have.
Let's try the spots. Side fries? Yeah, just side. We don't drink soda. It's all good. It's all good. Yeah, we don't mess with soda. Yeah, we don't mess with Gatorade. Yeah, it's all good though. You got some water? You want water?
We have water.
I appreciate though, man. What's up?
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, well, you don't mess with the stuff, man. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's up? Yes, what's up?
Whoa, whoa,
Fun song. Change the music. Okay. All right, man.
Look,
Right.
look.
Order 80. Came in behind this truck.